Would you like to trade and travel at the same time? It's the ultimate goal for many traders. If that's you, you have to listen to this video. Check it out. Hi Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach video and podcast number 238, coming to you from the beautiful, absolutely stunning Wanaka in the South Island of New Zealand. Absolutely amazing place here. If you've not been here, just check out the scenery behind me. Absolutely spectacular. Well, why am I here? Well, yesterday I was absolutely thrilled and honoured and privileged to be able to fly a friend's helicopter all the way to a place called Dusky, which is absolute wilderness, completely remote part of New Zealand that very few people have been to. Actually, Captain Cook's first landing place in New Zealand. Absolutely wonderful place. So I got to fly the helicopter in and back out again, and we spent the day fishing, caught some amazing fish, blue cod, ate some of them, still got some to eat for today. Just absolutely incredible. So why am I telling you this? Well, one, I want you to come to New Zealand, have a look at this. Why wouldn't you? But number two, at the same time, and today's Wednesday, I usually make my videos and podcasts on a Friday, but I had to share with you this amazing scenery. So today's Wednesday. So on Monday and Tuesday, I've just traded 10 minutes on each day, and that's it. And already with 0.5% risk per trade, I'm up 1.55% on my account. And that's just 20 minutes so far this week, 1.55%. It's just crazy. You know, if you wanted to say risk 1% per trade, you'd be up, 3.1% in 2 days. And it can be done just by trading daily charts once a day. So if trading and traveling is your ultimate goal, then you need to jump on board with this. You need to start looking at these longer time frame charts. Now, the trades that I've mentioned, they've all been posted on my website as well for my clients. So every client would be up the same just by copying. You know, that's it. Of course, you can still take trades yourselves. And exactly like I mentioned on last week's same video and podcast, go and check it out, number 237, about why would you trade the shorter time frame charts? You know, it kind of doesn't make sense, because people who want to trade and travel, you see all these funny images online of, you know, these beautiful women sat there in a bikini on the beach on a deck chair with their laptop pretending that they're trading. Well, if I was sat on a beach, the last thing I'd want to do is think about trading. I mean, number one, you're going to get sand in your laptop, so that's the end of the laptop. But, you know, more realistically, why would you be sat there on a beach trading? You know, that basically says to me that these people who are talking about doing this selling this ideal image, they're promoting, you know, you sat there trading 5 and 15 minute charts, which to me is just like crazy. Why would you? You know, if you want to be able to realistically trade and travel at the same time, then you need to be able to go and do things like this. You know, just look at it. It's spectacular. You need to be able to go and see places that you want to see whilst you're traveling, but having the realistic ability to trade. So trading once a day on a daily chart, you know, it is realistic, and it can be done, and it does allow you to travel at the same time. So, you know, if you've got that goal to trade and travel, try to jump on board with my course if you want that help. Like I said, the 1.55% so far this week has been, and we're only on to Wednesday, so it's only 2 days of trading, Monday and Tuesday. It's Wednesday morning here right now. And, you know, that's spectacular figures when you consider 2 days, 20 minutes at the very most. I mean, that's what it's taken me, but if you just copied as a client, it would have taken you probably 10 minutes. You know, you just got to copy, look through charts. But ultimately, don't forget though, it's not just simply a copy service, what we're offering. It's more about actually about getting people the ability to learn how to trade themselves. You know, that's the main thing. Yes, the 1.55% is great, but it's having the ability to take these same trades for yourself and be able to educate yourself to be able to do this from anywhere, anytime. I'm going to stop now. I can just hear that same helicopter that I flew yesterday. It's just coming over. I'm not sure if I can quite get it on, but you can probably hear it in the background. But yeah, looking at if you Google Dusky Sound, we were fishing yesterday with dolphins around us, with seals on the rocks, and if you're into fishing, and I'm no fisherman, but if you're into fishing, then we were dropping the line in, and within 30 seconds we were catching fish, these amazing blue cod, because it's a non-commercial fishing area, completely unspoilt. But yeah, if you want the opportunity to see places like this and to travel, jump onto those longer time frame charts and ignore those silly pictures of people sat on the beach in their bikinis and laptops. It's not real. This is real. You can't argue 1.55% in 2 days, and you get to see, excuse me, you get to see places like this. So I'm just going to pan around and see if my new gadget will follow me here. Excuse the very, very bright sunny conditions here, but yeah, it's a spectacular place. So this is Andrew Mitchem, the Forex Trading Coach. I'll catch you this time next week.